Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat common problems. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to the Snapchat, click on force stop right here and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back again, and now all what you want to do is click on the power usage details. Go to the power consumption alert, disable it, and then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi. Also do the same thing, disable it and enable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.